Thanks, Jamie. Topping your consumer news, the annual inflation rate climbed to more than 4% last month. That's according to a report from the Labor Department. Surging gas prices and energy costs are to blame. Bradley Blackburn has more on what it means for the summer travel season.
Just as Americans get ready for vacation season, the price of flying is soaring. New inflation data show airfare is up more than 26% from a year ago.
The prices are going up, so we have to look for more feasible options a lot of the time.
Overall, the consumer price index climbed 4.2% in May compared to the previous year. That's the highest inflation rate in more than 3 years, as the war with Iran continues to impact oil prices. Energy costs were up 3.9% in May, on top of big jumps the previous 2 months.
I don't even fill it up all the way anymore. Yeah, it's because prices are so expensive.
The combination of things that have occurred have really pushed prices higher, and that's bad news for consumers, right? So we know that tariffs were the first phase of it, but now the war in Iran is the next phase of it.
Food prices are still climbing modestly, with bigger sticker shock in some goods like beef, up almost 13% year over year.
All of the prices shock me, just that they seem to go up every single time I go to the grocery store.
Economists say one major reason consumers feel pinched is because earnings are not keeping pace with inflation.
Real hourly earnings are negative for the majority of American households. So people are losing purchasing power very readily. The gains that they're making in terms of wage increases, they're gone.
It puts pressure on the Federal Reserve to keep interest rates where they are or even consider an increase, which could rattle the stock market. The Fed is scheduled to meet next week. Bradley Blackburn, CBS News, New York.